mag-enjoy sila. Tapos sana maging safe lahat tayo lahat.
This is the good life, soak in the good vibes. We're living out our dreams, we're free. So drink up the sunshine, 'cause everything's alright. We're living out our dreams, yeah, this is the good life.
Ayun nga, thank you sa pagiging kaibigan. Pagkaibigan natin for 15 years. And ayun nga, ilang masasabi sa Ethan. Safe travels, ingat, good night, happy birthday, good morning.
We know, let's go. Tastes so sweet and I can't deny it. Life's a treat, I just wanna try it. This is the good life, soak in the good vibes.
Happy birthday, Ethan! Butchoy, alam mo naman ang wish lang namin sa'yo ni Daddy lagi. Mag-aral mabuti, focus on your studies first. Ang lagi lang prayer ni Mami is you have fear with the Lord at maging mabuting bata, maging mabuting tao. Lagi nang sinasabi ni Mami. Sobrang proud kami ni Daddy sa'yo. We love you!
This is the good life, soak in the good vibes. We're living out our dreams, we're free.
Tandaan mo na nandito lang kami ni Mami, mahal na mahal ka namin. Congratulations ulit sa'yo. And then, happy birthday. I love you.
Yeah, this is the good life. Yeah, this is the good life.